Hello there, today we will learn how to divide fraction, and there are three keywords that I want you to remember with me are keep, change, flip. And let's look at our first example here. As you see, it looks complicated, right? But I'll show you how to solve it in only a few steps. What if I told you the answer to this entire problem is just 2? Let's see why, okay? So as you see here, it's a mixed number. So we have to convert it into improper fraction first. And this is how you do it. The first step is you multiply. And the second step is you add. So you take 4 times negative 4 is negative 16 plus 1 is negative 17 over 4. You keep this fraction and you change this operation from division to multiplication, and then you flip this fraction here. So you have negative 8 over 17. Now before we multiply across numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator, what you want to do is we want to simplify, make a shortcut, right? So I will do really slow for you so you can see easier. So as you see here, negative 17 and 17, it means like 17 divided 17 is 1. So you can simplify this way. So this becomes negative 1 and this becomes 1. And 4 go with 8. This becomes 1 and this becomes negative 2 because negative 2 times 4 is negative 8. Negative 1 times negative 2 is 2 over 1 times 1 is 1. So the answer is 2. So this is the shortcut here. You simplify before you multiply. Okay, so let's move to example 2. 3 over 5 divided by negative 16 over 9. And our first step is, remember, keep. So we keep this one, 3 over 5. Second word is change. So we change this one to multiplication. And the third word is flip. So this becomes negative 9 over 16 equals to. So before we do operation, let's see if we can simplify them. So 3 and 16 we cannot simplify. 5 and 9 we also cannot simplify. So now we have to do 3 times negative 9 is negative 27. 5 times 16 is 80. So this is our answer, and this is in the simplest form. Now, when you have these kind of fraction, and especially on the test, you want to simplify as much as you can before you start working, right? So I'll show you a quick trick on this one, or you can call a shortcut. When you see 4 over 16, you can simplify like this. So this becomes 1. And 16 go with 4, so will becomes 4. Right? Now it's look much easier. So again, we keep the first one is negative 8 over 9. And you change to multiplication. And you flip this fraction. So it will be 4 over 1. So now you multiply negative 8 times 4 is negative 32 over 9 times 1 is 9. Now, you cannot stop here because this is called improper fraction. So we have to divide it. to get a mixed number for the answer. We have 32 divided by 9. So 9 goes into 32 3 times, right? So 3 times 9 is 27. So 32 minus 27 is 5. And this is how you write -3. Remainder is 5. And 9 is the divisor. So quotient, remainder, divisor. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and remember these 3 keywords: keep, change, flip. And always check the site. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more easy math lessons. Bye!